Um, I'm sorry I'm not very young, but my spirit is very young. Okay, I want to talk about gender equality and Chile. In Chile, women are in many ways at par with men. It means that they have the same rights. But men and women are not the same. They are different. They have different roles in society. And we cannot change the basic fact that only women can have children and be mothers. So striving for equity is our objective. Equity is fairness and allowing women to be able to achieve equality in different areas. So in Chile, what we try to do is to give the women all those laws that allow them to reach a certain level. But first of all, where is Chile? Chile is probably the furthest away country from Pakistan, from Islamabad, in the southern hemisphere. It's an OECD country, and it's not very hot, and even it can get very cold. We have a not very corrupt country. We are a very high index of peace and a good GDP, life expectancy 79 for the whole country and 82 years for the women. We have 50% of our workforce are women. So with those high literacy rates and workforce of 50%, you can imagine women in Chile are very active. They are everywhere. They are miners, they are shopkeepers, they are in the bus drivers, they are in the army. There is no place where women are not present. Even at the moment, our president is a woman, Michelle Bachelet. She is an MBBS doctor. She is a political refugee. Her father was killed by Pinochet. She was elected twice, in 2007 and then in 2014. And she also led the UN Women for the UN. So she's a very accomplished lady, and definitely we can say that women now in Chile have achieved all positions. Now that 50% in the workforce was not like that 20 years back. So obviously we are striving, and women are getting into the workforce and slowly and steadily. And one important area is that education. In higher education, women represent 50% of our university students. And so the equality that we had at the secondary school is now at the university level. And employment, if you are a university graduate or a postgraduate, is almost 80%. Means that education is very, very important to achieve gender equality. In Chile, governments are elected on promises, like elsewhere, yes? But they have to fulfill them, or try to fulfill them. So, with 55% of the voters being women, no government will not go for those promises and that they said before the elections. So which politician would want to be seen as a chauvinist? So these laws facilitate women in their roles as mothers. So, for example, they provide daycare in the workplace, big organizations and in the government and in schools. They have prolonged the school day till 5 o'clock so that the women, or 4:30, so that the woman and the child reach home at the same time. These laws have also given 6 months of post-delivery holiday, so that the woman can look after and breastfeed his child. Not only the women can get the maternity leave, even the fathers get the paternity leave. And if a child is sick, she can also get a leave. So all these laws that protect the woman and the family are also making her more able to contribute into the country. Even if a woman is pregnant and she is not cannot lose her job, she cannot make redundant. So it also laws that protect the employment of women. So women are well represented in our workforce, but not in our Congress. We have 20% of our Congress are